Whether it's in addition to our Top Gun experiences, or one of our high-energy keynotes, or just as a standalone program.
Our Debrief Workshop is where we commit to your journey over the past 3 months. We'll facilitate a debrief, the style of debrief that's over 300% more effective.
Our Debrief Workshops create an execution rhythm, the antidote to today's busy world where we have seen meeting culture drop from 36 hours a week down to only 12.
I think debriefing is super important at a macro and micro level. It empowers people who aren't at leadership levels to engage with leaders in a way that promotes accountability on both ends and growth and development on both ends.
Whether it's a small, intimate leadership team or thousands of sales reps at an offsite conference.
Afterburner's workshops ensures that flawless execution isn't just the flavor of the month.
It's about something bigger than yourself, putting your ego aside, checking that ego, and being open to criticism and feedback.
The debrief is, I think, a real critical opportunity for us. We're doing it in informal fashions, but to solidify that process and create it as a routine, I think is really what's going to pay into our long-term success.
We'll create a nameless and rankless environment, the safe psychological environment that allows you to have critical conversations and helpful conflict to ensure the opinions you have as an organization turn into informed action.
Our Debrief Workshop follows our 4-step ORCA process. We'll use your objectives, your current results. We'll look at the causes for these all the way down to the individual level, and each individual will commit to 3 actions to take in the next 14 days to drive a difference and lift and improve performance.
Our Debrief Workshop will equip you with the skills and ultimately build the fighter pilot debrief culture.
For me, it's the most critical phase, because if you don't go through what you learned, what went well, what didn't go well, you will never improve.
It's something that I can bring to the store level, to the manager level, to the franchisee level, and it's something that I can make an impact with.
It helps them develop their leadership skills, it helps them develop critical thinking skills, and I think it's very empowering to the team to have gone through the exercise and understand that their voice is really important.